Hi, my name is Dan Harris. I'm going to be an upcoming speaker for the Speaker Series, and my topic is going to be how to get your dream job. The focus of this effort isn't about resumes and cover letters, even those are important tools. It's more about how to stand out in a crowded job market. We're going to talk about research and how to understand the businesses that you're looking to work for and key things that are important for you to understand and know, and then be able to present back to those businesses. So we'll talk a little bit about SWOT analysis, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. We'll look at some key things that an interviewing manager would find important, and I'll show you how to package it all up so that you can truly stand out in the crowded job market. If you attend, I'm hoping everyone does, I'm going to provide you with the free $49 value of a workbook. Not only that, but you'll get tools and templates and access to information that will help you in your efforts to get this dream job. So I look forward to seeing you on March 7th. We're going to be in Nestor Hall. Look for these posters around. You'll see my name here, Dan Harris, How to Land Your Dream Job, Nestor Hall 316. Can't wait to see you there.